If matrix A has elements 1, 2, minus 3, 4, we have to obtain matrix B if 2A plus 3B is equal to a zero matrix. So we have been given a matrix equation 2A plus 3 times B is a zero matrix. So first we simplify this equation. Now we could write this as 3B is equal to 0 minus 2A. Now 0 matrix won't have any effect on 2A. So basically we obtain 3B is negative 2 times A. Or further we could write this as B is equal to minus 2 by 3 times matrix A. And now here we replace the matrix A. So we have B is equal to minus 2 by 3 times. Now here we write matrix A. The elements are 1, 2, minus 3 and 4. Now here we perform scalar multiplication. We multiply minus 2 by 3 with each of these elements and we obtain matrix B as the elements would be minus 2 by 3 times 1. So that would be minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 times 2. So that is minus 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into minus 3. Now negative into negative, that becomes positive and 3 gets cancelled. So basically we would be left with 2. And minus 2 by 3 into 4. So that is minus 8 by 3. So this is how you obtain the required matrix B.